Hey there, Python enthusiasts! Welcome back to the 100 Days of Python series. Today is day 7, and we're diving into dictionaries and sets. In this video, we'll cover understanding dictionaries and key-value pairs, modifying, accessing, and iterating through dictionaries, and we'll also introduce sets and their unique properties. Ready to unlock the power of dictionaries and sets? Let's get started. Let's start with dictionaries. In Python, dictionaries are a collection of key-value pairs. They are used to store data values like a map, which, unlike other data types that hold only a single value as an element, hold key-value pairs. Each key in a dictionary must be unique. Here's an example of a dictionary. In this example, name, age, and major are keys, and their corresponding values are Alice, 25, and computer science. Think of it like a real-world dictionary where you look up a word and get its definition. Now, let's see how we can modify, access, and iterate through dictionaries. Here's how you can access and modify dictionary values. You can also add new key-value pairs. To iterate through a dictionary, you can use a for loop. This loop prints out each key-value pair in the dictionary. Now, let's move on to sets. A set is an unordered collection of unique elements. Sets are great for storing elements without duplicates and for performing mathematical set operations like union, intersection, and difference. Here's how you can create a set. If you try to add duplicate elements to a set, it won't change the set. You can also perform common set operations. Sets are powerful tools for managing unique items and performing set-based operations efficiently. And there you have it, folks, an introduction to dictionaries and sets in Python. You now know how to work with key-value pairs, modify and access dictionary elements, and leverage the unique properties of sets. Keep practicing these concepts, and you'll be handling data like a pro in no time. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring that bell for more awesome Python content. See you tomorrow for day 8. Keep coding!